Thailand is paradise, but if you're not careful, you'll end up spending double what you should or missing the best beaches entirely. From the hidden taxi fees in Phuket to the truth about street food, here are 7 mistakes that could ruin your 2026 trip. Thailand welcomed millions of visitors last year, and while most travelers leave with amazing memories, many make avoidable mistakes that cost them money, waste valuable vacation time, and prevent them from experiencing the real Thailand. In this video, I'll reveal the 7 biggest Thailand travel mistakes travelers are still making in 2026 and show you exactly how to avoid them. Make sure you stay until the end because mistake number 1 is the reason many tourists spend hundreds more than necessary. Let's get started. Mistake 7. Trying to visit too many places. One of the biggest mistakes first-time visitors make is treating Thailand like a small country. On a map, everything may seem close together, but Thailand is much larger than many travelers realize. People often try to visit Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, Krabi, Koh Samui, Pattaya, and several islands all in a single 2-week trip. The result? They spend more time in airports, buses, ferries, and taxis than actually enjoying Thailand. Instead, focus on fewer destinations. For a 2-week trip, choose 3 or 4 locations maximum. For example, Bangkok plus Chiang Mai plus Krabi or Bangkok plus Phuket plus Phi Islands. Slow travel creates better experiences and saves money. Remember, Thailand isn't going anywhere. You'll probably want to come back. Mistake 6. Exchanging money at the airport. You just landed in Bangkok. You're tired. You need cash. The airport exchange booth seems convenient. That's exactly why many travelers lose money immediately. Airport exchange rates are often less favorable than rates you'll find in the city. The difference may not seem huge at first, but on a larger travel budget, it adds up quickly. Instead, exchange only a small amount for transportation and immediate expenses. Then use reputable exchange services in Bangkok or major tourist areas for better rates. Also inform your bank before traveling to avoid card issues abroad. A few minutes of planning can save a surprising amount of money. Mistake 5. Only eating at tourist restaurants. Thailand is one of the greatest food destinations on earth. Yet many visitors spend their entire trip eating burgers, pizza, and overpriced tourist menus. The best food experiences are often found where locals eat. Some travelers avoid street food because they worry about safety. The truth? Many street food vendors serve fresh meals all day and have loyal local customers. A good rule is simple: look for busy stalls with high turnover. If locals are lining up, that's usually a great sign. Try dishes like pad thai, pad kra pao, mango sticky rice, khao soy, som tum, and freshly grilled seafood. Food is a huge part of Thai culture. Don't miss it. Mistake 4. Not respecting local culture. Thailand is known as the land of smiles. Thai people are incredibly welcoming, but visitors sometimes unintentionally offend locals. For example, entering temples dressed inappropriately, touching someone's head, pointing feet toward people or religious objects, speaking loudly in sacred locations. When visiting temples, cover your shoulders and knees. Remove shoes where required. Be respectful when taking photos. Showing basic cultural awareness earns respect and often leads to better interactions throughout your trip. Mistake 3. Falling for taxi and transport scams. This is one of the most common complaints from travelers. You arrive at a tourist area. A taxi driver quotes a price. You assume it's normal. Later you discover you paid 2 or 3 times more than necessary. This happens frequently in popular tourist destinations. The solution is simple. Use ride-hailing apps when available. Confirm prices before starting a journey. And avoid drivers who refuse to discuss fares clearly. In Phuket especially, transportation costs can surprise visitors. Research approximate fares beforehand. Knowledge is your best defense. Mistake 2. Visiting only the most famous beaches. Everyone wants to see the beaches they've seen on Instagram. And yes, many of them are beautiful. But some of the most famous beaches are also the most crowded. Thousands of tourists arrive daily. The experience often feels very different from what travelers imagined. Instead of following only social media trends, explore lesser-known beaches and islands. You'll often find cleaner beaches, better prices, fewer crowds, and a more authentic atmosphere. Sometimes the best beach isn't the one with the most hashtags. It's the one with the fewest people. Mistake 1. Visiting during the wrong season. This mistake ruins more Thailand vacations than almost anything else. Many travelers assume Thailand has perfect weather year-round. It doesn't. Thailand has distinct weather patterns that vary by region. Some visitors book their dream beach holiday without checking seasonal conditions. Then they arrive during heavy rain, rough seas, or limited island activities. Before booking flights and hotels, research the weather for your specific destination and travel dates. For example, the ideal season for Phuket may differ from the best season for Koh Samui. A little research can mean the difference between crystal clear waters and days of rain. Timing matters more than most travelers realize. Bonus mistake: skipping travel insurance. Nobody plans to get sick. Nobody plans to lose luggage. Nobody plans to miss a flight. But travel disruptions happen every day. Thailand is generally safe, but accidents, illnesses, and unexpected situations can occur anywhere. Travel insurance is one of the least exciting purchases you'll make. It's also one of the smartest. Hopefully you'll never need it. But if you do, you'll be glad you have it. Final thoughts: Thailand remains one of the best travel destinations in the world in 2026. It offers incredible food, stunning beaches, vibrant cities, rich culture, affordable luxury, and unforgettable adventures. But avoiding these 7 mistakes can dramatically improve your experience. You'll save money. Avoid unnecessary stress. See more authentic destinations. And enjoy Thailand the way it was meant to be experienced. Have you ever visited Thailand? Which mistake surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're planning a Thailand trip in 2026, save this video for later, because these tips could save you hundreds of dollars and countless headaches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel guides, travel tips, and destination inspiration from TravelMate Guide TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.